Here I am joining 10 mm 20 strips for the base body. Now make a cone shape. Make a deep cone. Do it very slowly. Now apply glue on it. Now for face I am joined 5 mm 15 strips for the face. Here I am making goddesses Durga. Make a deep dome. Apply glue on it. Now here I am joining 5 mm 15 strips for the crown. Make a deep dome in a crown shape as shown in the video. Make very neatly. Make a crown shape. Now take pencil and make a small cone shape in upper and apply glue on it. Now cover the hair on the face neatly. Here I am making goddesses Renuka Yellama. Now attach crown to the face. Now for making ears, join 3 mm 1 strip and make a tight coil. And make a little pinch in the ear shape, make 2 and connect to the face as shown in the video. Now ears are ready. Now we are making nose. Now attach nose to the face. Now make some facial expressions on the face. Now attach the face to the base body. Let it dry. Now make a semicircle. Take measures as shown in the video. Here I used this for a saree for the Ma Durga. Here I am making saree for the goddesses Durga. Make as shown in the video. To make a saree, Here I am making a saree pallu. Apply in a cross mode to make a saree shape. Make as shown in the video. Now complete it. Same. Do it very slowly and neatly. Here I am taking 10 mm and complete it on the other side also. Now the saree is completed. Now attach a piece of paper in the middle to make a saree look. Now the saree is ready. Now paint with some golden colors and golden sheet with borders. Now attach to the body. Apply glue on the saree and attach to the face. Let it dry for some time. Now take a 3 mm strip and roll it as shown in the video. Here I am making a half moon. And make a half moon shape and connect to the face. Now join 3 mm one strip for the earrings. Here I am making earrings for the goddesses Durga and make a teardrop shape. Make 2 teardrop shapes. Now connect to the face. Now join 3 mm half strip. For the necklace, make as many you want. Now apply on a necklace shape on the saree. Complete it. Now join 5 mm one strip and make a tight coil. And make a cone shape. Make a deep dome. Do it very slowly. Now apply glue on the cone on outside. Let's attach some more cones on the face side and do it. And I used some stones for decorating goddesses Durga. On make a circle shape. Here I am making chunni for the goddesses Durga. Make as shown in the video. Attach some golden sheet as a border. Now attach with glue. Here the chunni is ready. Now attach chunni to the goddess Durga. Now the goddess Durga is ready. Hope you all enjoy my videos. If you like my videos, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share my videos. Subscribe my channel for more interesting craft videos. Hope you all enjoy my videos. Thank you friends. See you in the next video.